ఐఐటీలో IIITలో బీటెక్ చేయాలనేది మీ డ్రీమా? అయితే ఇది ఇండియాలో ఒకే ఒక యూనివర్సిటీ వల్ల సాధ్యం. అదే జేకే లక్ష్మీపతి యూనివర్సిటీ. ఇప్పుడే సంప్రదించండి.
సెకండరీ శ్రీ ఉదయ్ భాను గారు.
I second the same.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. మే ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ టు పాస్ ద రెజల్యూషన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. విల్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద థర్డ్ రెజల్యూషన్ అండి, విచ్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ హౌ వీ హ్యావ్ గ్రోన్ ఫ్రమ్ క్రైసిస్ టు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. సో రెజల్యూషన్ నెంబర్ 3 మన ఎక్కడున్నారు, మన బొలిశెట్టి శ్రీనివాస్ గారు, సార్ కొంతాల్ గారు సార్.
Thank you, sir. Resolution number 3. From crisis to confidence, 2 years of renewal, reconstruction and inclusive development in Andhra Pradesh. Janasena Party records its profound satisfaction at the successful completion of 2 years of Kotami government in Andhra Pradesh under the collective leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu ji, and Party President and Deputy Chief Minister Sri Pawan Kalyan ji. Following the historic mandate of 2024, the government has restored public confidence through transparent and accountable governance while pursuing a balanced approach that combines welfare with economic development. Initiatives in education, healthcare, women's empowerment, housing, pensions and support for farmers, fishermen, weavers, auto and taxi drivers have strengthened social security and improved the quality of life of millions. Programs such as Talliki Vandanam, the revival of Anna canteens, Mega DSC and police recruitment reflect the government's commitment to inclusive growth and employment generation. Parties further appreciate the strong partnership between the union government and the Kotami government in accelerating the reconstruction and development of Andhra Pradesh. Continued support for Amaravati, the Polavaram project, industrial corridor, transport infrastructure and major investments have laid the foundation for long-term economic growth and job creation. Efforts to promote balanced regional development, strengthen rural governance and revive strategic industrial assets have reinforced the vision of Swachha Andhra Pradesh. Swarna Andhra Pradesh. The Janasena Party believes that these 2 years represent not merely a change in administration, but the restoration of confidence, the revival of development, and the renewal of hope for the people of Andhra Pradesh. The party resolves to continue working towards a prosperous, inclusive, and developed Andhra Pradesh under the collective leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu ji and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Pawan Kalyan ji. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ramakrishna garu.